I'm back with our vocab, still working on slide number 5. We're going to go ahead and search difference in our dictionary. So going back to the top, difference starts with D, D-I-F. Let's find difference. And it's down here on the bottom. Difference, the result of subtracting one number from another. How much one number differs from another. For instance, if we have 8 minus 3 equals 5, 5 is the answer to our subtraction sentence. Next is rounding. Rounding begins with R, R-O-U-N-D, rounding. Rounding means making a number simpler, but keeping its value close to what it was. For instance, 73, we can round to 70 because it's close to 70. 76, we can round to 80 because it's close to 80. The result is less accurate, but easier to use. Again, 73 rounded to the nearest 10 is 70 because 73 is closer to 70 than to 80. But 76 goes up to 80. There are many ways to round. This is the most common method. Decide which is the last digit to keep. Leave it the same if the next digit is less than 5. Increase it by 1 if the next digit is 5 or more. For instance, my 7 looks next door to the 3. The 3 is less than 5, so I'm going to round down to 70. The 7 looks next door to the 6. The 6 is more than 5, so I'm going to round up to 80. Our next word is digit. We need to go back to the letter D and find digit right here. Digit, a single symbol used to make a numeral. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are the 10 digits we use in our daily lives. For instance, our numeral, or our number, is 153. 1, 5, and 3 are all digits. Next we have product. Looking under P, product is over here on the right. Product, the answer when 2 or more values are multiplied together. So my multiplication sentence, 6 times 3 equals 18. The answer is the product. Next we have addends. Back to A. Addend over here on the left. Any of the numbers that are added together. So again, I have an addition sentence, 8 plus 3 equals 11. The two numbers that are being added are the addends. Zeros is our next word. Click on 0. We've got this talk about the whole number between -1 and 1 with the symbol is a 0. There's no amount here. 0 is not positive and it is also not negative. Down here would be really helpful. 0 is also used as a placeholder so you can write a numeral properly. That's how we're going to be using 0 in this case. A placeholder so that you can write a numeral properly. Lastly, we have whole numbers. Scroll back up to W. Whole number is right here. Any of the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. There is no fractional or decimal part and no negatives. Those are all whole numbers.